Hello friends, in today's video we'll discuss one of the most important questions that's asked in almost all the interviews. Yes, you guessed it right. Tell me something about yourself. This is the most pompous question by any interviewer. Almost all the interview begin with this question. Ironically, this can be a make or break question. And unfortunately, most of us take a back seat with this question. So let us dive into this critical question and come back with a strategical reply. To begin with, thanks the interviewer for giving you the opportunity to express yourself. Because how you say is more important than what you say. So extend your smile and with enthusiasm lacing out from your voice, cheerfully begin. Hello sir, madam. It gives me great pleasure to introduce myself to you. I am Stanish Gill. I am 38 years old and I live along with my family in Mumbai. At the outset, I would like to give you a brief insight about my family background. I am married and blessed with 2 children. My wife is a homemaker and my children are students. My elder son is in 5th standard and the younger one is in kindergarten. I live along with my parents and both of them are retired from their job responsibilities. Shifting from my personal background to my educational qualification, I am pleased to inform you that I have completed my MBA in the year 2002 from Jamnalal Bajaj University. And I passed out graduation in distinction in the year 1998 from Mumbai University. If you belong to the technical side where education plays a pivotal role, then get more into detail, highlighting your academic achievements. Now I would like to draw your attention toward my professional journey. I started my career in the year 2005 as a sales executive with InvestOne, which is an affiliate of Citigroup. My key responsible area with InvestOne was to source liability account for Citibank. I worked there for a period of 3 years and participated in the growth story of the company. My work was periodically acknowledged by the management and I received timely appraisals and promotions. So basically, InvestOne was the stepping stone in my career and I learned many things from there. But as all good things come to an end, so did I took a leap towards a different organization for better prospects. In the year 2008, I got the opportunity to associate with ABN AMRO Bank as a business manager and cater to adding more priority customers to the bank's kitty. I had a fulfilling working experience with ABN AMRO Bank for 5 years and by God's grace, I was always able to meet up and many a time outperform my target, for which the management generously rewarded me consistently. Discuss your achievements and recognition in detail, but lace it with modesty. Don't sound arrogant or as a brag. And then later, destiny offered me a new challenging and rewarding opportunity. And being an ambitious person, I grabbed it and joined Bajaj Allianz as a senior sales manager. So friends, talk about your KRA, key responsible area, your reporting pattern and achievements. I would like to give you a brief gist about my personality. As a human being, I am soft-hearted and compassionate. I believe in the attitude of giving, caring and follow the philosophy of live and let live. And as a professional, I am competitive by nature and believes in outperforming myself. I would like to end by discussing my recreation with you. I love watching cricket and sometimes playing it. I also enjoy watching good movies along with my children. And I will like to conclude by saying that I am a bathroom singer and a moody shadow. So that's all about me. Thank you. So friend, in short, what I am trying to say, put things into perspective. Begin with self-introduction, family background, educational qualification, Professional journey in a chronological way, like beginning to the current time. Personal insight, recreation or hobby. This is not the absolute way. You can certainly change the sequence, but ensure to put things in a structured way, step by step. So friend, with this we come to an end of this video. You can also join my online spoken English classes, Speak English with Stanishkill. You can WhatsApp us your name at 9136702777 and we'll get in touch with you. And for spoken English, you can buy my book Speak English with Stanishkill. This book is designed for those who can read, write and understand English but struggle to speak it fluently. And I will strongly recommend you to read my book 70s. Reading is the best habit, and reading novel will certainly empower your imagination skill and develop your communication skill also. So read this book, it's a paranormal suspense thriller novel, and friend, at last, I try to make good educational videos for you, free of cost. The only thing that I expect from you is to like it, share it, comment on specific requirement and subscribe my channel. So friend, I request you to turn on the notification bell and please share it with all your friends and let knowledge be spread all across the world. With this, I come to an end of this video. Keep learning, keep growing. We'll catch up in the next video. Bye.